What are you having for lunch today? The other day, my friend made me some. Ooh, that's a little hot. She made me some jerk chicken, which I'm actually going to add a few other ingredients in there. Don't burn my. Ooh, don't burn. Ah! Don't burn. So I got some jerk chicken, and I'm gonna add some yellow rice, some green peppers, some red peppers, and I have some scallions, and I have some onions. I'm gonna try that baby out. Oh, that's hot. I'm gonna mix it all together. Let's see. I think I need a bigger burrito, but this is perfectly fine. Look at that. Add some onions. And I know these are onions also, but I'm gonna add some scallions right there. Look at that. That looks, or can you even see it? That looks amazing. Ooh, shout out to my private chef. Now that's a meal. But I'm gonna sprinkle some peas on there. And I have a sauce. I forgot what they made. What kind of sauce is this? That sauce smells good. And just enough sauce. And this baby's ready to be eaten. This right here.